Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This video is brought to you by AUXITO. Go ahead and check out their website today and use the code TheProudyChannel and you'll get 15% off your whole entire order. They have anywhere from LEDs, off-road light assemblies, seat covers, mirrors, to a bunch of other type of items out there, to jump packs and tire inflators too. So go check out their website today to get a special discount. Now that we got everything unboxed, we have our AUXITO tire compressor right here. So again, just hold it on. So we can adjust this right here with the up and minus arrow right on the side. So if we have like a 40 PSI car tire, we can do that. Or if we want to bring it down, we just use this other side right here. Back to 30. And right here, you have another bottom right corner. This is for what you're inflating. So this is car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, personal use. We have the LED on the side. It's got a red strobe too. Then we have our air hose right here. This is your attachment end, and then this is the end that you're going to put inside your device. So as you can see, it's got some teeth right here on the end, and then this actually has some insert holes, so you just match them up and twist it right on, and now it's not coming off. Another thing that came with your device is just a little charger. Just go ahead and throw this back in the bag, that way you don't lose it. It's always good. You can keep this in your car, just USB plug in, or you can go get a wall adapter and you'll be all set. So right in here we have our inserts. So let's go ahead and open up these. You have all your different tips in your hand. This is for any type of balls out there that you need inflated. This is for like personal use, blow off use. And these are for different valve stems. But where I'm from, in the United States, these are, the one that comes equipped on it is about your standard valve stem. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna do a vehicle, a bike, and I'm gonna also pump up a ball for everybody. So let's go ahead and test this thing out. And then if you leave it on, it does automatically shut itself off after like 30 seconds to a minute. That's actually a really, really nice feature that it has. But if you wanna turn it off and be done using it, you just gotta hold it and then it'll display off. So let's go ahead and try this thing on a bike. All right, guys. So I went ahead and deflated my dirt bike tire that I have right here. As you guys can see, I did a little bit more than what I was expecting to. But just twist this on right here. As soon as you twist it on your valve stem, we have this already turned on. Now we see it's on a car mode, so we're gonna go to our bottom right. We're gonna switch that to a motorcycle because it's a dirt bike motorcycle. And I put about 10 PSI inside my dirt bike tires because it's an off-road tire. You just hit this on button and it'll start the air compressor, so let's turn it on. Alrighty, it says it's at 10 PSI, so we're gonna go ahead and, you can hear it leaking a little bit. Remove this, throw back on our valve stem that we had on there. It's on there tight, and as you guys can see, our tire is nice and aired up. Still a little bit of a push, which is what I like because it's an off-road type tire. But yeah, let's go ahead and do a ball now. So I found my air hole, put my attachment in there, switch my mode to a ball. Then I'm only gonna put like maybe 2 PSI in it, 3. I'll do 2. I don't want this thing to blow up. Got that hole right there. Put it right in. All right, we're all set. That ball's pretty pumped up. So my dog will be pretty happy about that. It'll roll a lot better for him now. So let's go do a vehicle tire now. All right, guys, so this is actually a Ford Super Duty tire. So this is a heavy duty type tire. So this one will need about, switch to vehicle mode, and this one's gonna need 65 PSI. So I deflated this tire a little bit. Go ahead and attach it on. So it's displaying how much PSI is already in our tire, which is 60 PSI right now. One click of that center button. Alright guys, got it up to 65 PSI. So it actually did a Super Duty truck tire, which is actually pretty cool. Proudy channel review on the AUXITO air compressor, the portable one. This thing is awesome. I mean, it'd be really nice to put it in my book bag for when I go off-roading. A book bag when I'm going out of state, like on motorcycles or in the vehicles too. It'd be a good gift for like college students going out there. You're sending your kid away from home and everything. This will check their tire PSI for them on here digitally, so they don't have to read one of your old little tack meter right here for the PSI. They don't have to read one of those. It's just all displayed on the top of the device for you. No reason why you guys shouldn't go check out AUXITO's website right now and use the code the Proudy channel and get 15% off your whole order. So go ahead. We'll see you guys soon. Hit that like and subscribe button and go check out their website. Thanks again for watching.